If you're a returning OG, welcome back. Today's video, I'll be showing you guys this neon skull makeup look. Y'all, when I say this look was absolutely so freaking hard, like it was harder than I thought. This is honestly not my best work. In my opinion, it's not my best work. I know you guys are probably gonna gas me, but like, Key, this look is cute. What are you talking about? Y'all, this look was extremely hard. Like I said, it was tough. I did keep my mistakes in this video. I also kept my frustration because I just want to show you guys that these looks don't always come out perfectly. And you know, behind these look is some frustrated artists, okay? And today was the day, okay? But you know, I was just like, we gotta do this. I really want to do 31 days of makeup, well, Halloween makeup, and like I didn't want to quit. Like today I damn near quit, but you know, I pushed through. And honestly, y'all, my hair is saving this look, you feel me? Like the hairstyle is really saving this look. But overall, I do think I did a good job. If I had to rate myself out of a scale of 10, I would definitely give myself maybe like a 7. Because I could do a lot better. Like, I could do a lot better. But I'm still going to show you guys how I achieved this look. And I just want to thank y'all so much for tuning in and actually sticking around and actually about to watch this video. Y'all real ones. And without further ado, let's get into the video. As always, I usually start out with my eyebrows and my eyes for my makeup look. So I'm going in and just prepping my eyes. I'm using my L'Oreal concealer in the shade 415 to highlight my brow bone and also be a base for this eyeshadow look. Now I'm taking my Juvia's Place black gel liner and I'm applying this all over my lid. You guys can see on the other eye what the eye is supposed to look like. Only difference is I used different colors, but I did the same exact technique. Then I took some black eyeshadow from the Morphe James Charles palette and I am applying this on top of the black gel liner. I don't really need to set the gel liner, but this is just really going to intensify the black. Now taking my P. Louise base in 0, it's pretty much just a white concealer, and I am going to apply this on the outside of my wing, I guess. I'm just gonna apply that on the outside, and I'm using tapping motions, and I'm taking this really small like eyeshadow packing brush, and that is what I'm using to apply this because I really wanted it to be like a blended out, you know. I didn't really want it to be like a harsh line where I would have to go in and like mess up the blend, so I just used that in tapping motions. Then using the blue out of my James Charles and Morphe palette, I am applying some blue to the halfway point of my eye and just really packing that on. I decided to use this blue because it really gave me neon vibes and it was really pretty. And then for the purple, I'm using the purple out of the crayon case, the matte book, because that purple was just a whole vibe. Like it just gave me like neon vibe, you feel me? So yeah, I'm just applying those two colors on top of the white concealer. Going back into the Morphe palette, I'm taking that black and I am just going to clean up the black shadow because I did have a little bit of fallout from the blue and the purple, so I'm just cleaning that up. And then I'm going to go back into the P. Louise base, and what I did to the top of this eye look, I'm going to do to the outer portion of the wing so that, you know, it can match the top because this is like a winged out type of eyeshadow look. So just placing the P. Louise base down and then going on top of that with the purple. Now I am going to give this eyeshadow look the pop of neon, and that is pretty much just taking a white, pretty much you're supposed to use like an eyeliner so it comes out nice and smooth, but I don't actually have a white eyeliner, so I had to substitute and go in with my P. Louise base. Y'all, it was such a struggle. I feel like if I had white eyeliner or even face paint, something else, I feel like this look would have just came out so much more perfect, and I would have not had to start over like 5 times. Y'all, I started off the eyes like a good 4 times, and then I originally wasn't even gonna record this video, but I was like, when I had got the side with the pink done, I was like, okay, maybe we doing something. Okay, maybe I know what I'm doing. So yeah, just if you have an eyeliner, you'll be able to get this done. So I just applied that to the middle of the blue and the purple, and that's what, you know, created the neon vibes. Now I'm just doing my face makeup as normal, so we can get ready for the bottom half of the neon skull. As always, I go in the safe way, so I am starting off my skull. I am using a brown pencil to like kind of sketch out where I wanted to go. Y'all, I absolutely had no idea what I was doing. This was my first time ever attempting a skull type of makeup look. I was actually following Beats by Deb's neon makeup look that she did last year. This look is actually inspired by Beats by Deb and also James Charles. They both did a look that was like similar, so I was like, you know, wanting to combine it to, you know, achieve my look. I also forgot to mention that in the beginning of the video, but I'll definitely list the credit down below in my description box, because y'all know I always give credit where it's due. So yeah, anyways, I was going in with the pencil to kind of sketch out what I wanted to, but y'all, like I said, I was having trouble, you know, even figuring out how to do this. And usually I don't. Usually I can like watch a video or look at a picture and be like, okay, I know what to do. But for some reason, I was struggling. But you know, I kept going and kept pushing myself, and it was something. So what you guys just see me doing before was I took some of the black gel liner from Juvia's Place, and I kind of just, you know, outlined more of the skull. Now I'm going in with the eyeshadows from the Morphe palette and also the Crayon Case palette. The red is from the Crayon Case palette and the pink is from the Morphe palette. And I'm just tapping this above where I drew the line at, because this is going to be my neon part of like my skull, cheekbone, and mouth. So I'm just doing the other side now with the purple and the blue. As I mentioned earlier, I was following a video Beats by Deb posted of this skull look, and she did something like this with her mouth, so I was like following that, but mine didn't turn out as good as hers. I'm definitely going to be attempting this skull look again this year. I'm not going to say I'm going to wait till next year. I want to attempt it again this year, because I kind of got, you know, a better understanding of what I need to do. So maybe towards the end of the month, you guys will see another skull, a neon look, and it will be 10 times better. So definitely be on the lookout for that. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and also following me on all my social media accounts and all that fun stuff. They are in my description box below. So you guys just saw me draw my teeth on. That part was pretty easy. It's pretty much drawing some straight lines on my lips. And now I am just adding my colors to where my teeth are going to get placed, because you know we are a neon skull, so I really wanted this to pop out. So I'm just adding the colors and, you know, on top of that, and also merging the colors together so that it doesn't look like not blended. And then I am taking the eyeshadows and just filling in those empty gaps of where you see my skin color. after applying the eyeshadow on top of my teeth, it kind of got faded, so I'm just going in and darkening up my teeth line so that, you know, you'll be able to see my teeth really nicely. So I'm doing the same thing for all the other areas that I have black eyeshadow. I'm just going back in and deepening it up because the color eyeshadow, you know, kind of faded it. So we're just gonna go back in and fix that. Now moving on to my nose. The nose part was actually really easy. It's pretty much like kind of drawing like 2 half teardrops and then, you know, just filling it in. This part was really easy, but the same thing I did for my eyes and the skull, like the mouthpiece, is the same thing I'm gonna do for the nose. To give my nose the neon effect, I am going in with my P. Louise base in 0 and just pretty much creating a mini shape inside of my nose, and that's gonna, you know, highlight it to make it look like it's, you know, glowing. So for my teeth, I'm going in with my P. Louise base in 0 and just creating some little mini teardrops in between those gaps. So now I'm taking my black eyeshadow and my black gel liner and just going over the black areas again to really kind of help the black pop through so it doesn't look so faded. And I feel like that was my problem with the eyeshadow look. It just, like, the black wasn't black enough. But you guys, I did just order some face paint. So once that gets here, y'all, it's on and popping with the looks. I want you guys to let me know down in the comments below, even after Halloween is over, would you guys want to see me still create, you know, fun, crazy looks where, you know, I'm face painting my body and my face and all that fun stuff? Let me know down in the comment section below. Now I'm just going in and just cleaning up things that, you know, could look a lot better. And also I am giving my skull the neon vibes. I feel like if I had like a white eyeliner or even a white face paint, my lines would have been a lot better and they wouldn't be bleeding into the color, because that was like a problem I was having as well. But the P. Louise base, it did come through. It did help you girl out. You know, you got to work with what you got. You got to be creative, and I think I did that. Overall though, you guys, I really did love how the look turned out. I mean, let me not say love, I liked how the look turned out. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you guys think? Other than that, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for rocking with your girl. Thank you for supporting me and my channel, and I will catch you guys in tomorrow's makeup look. Bye.